How to put a AP snack machine onto free vend. First of all, you power up the machine. Go to the mode button, which is just through here. Press mode. If you get a bad connection like that, just press the white switch. This will reset the selection model. Okay, press more button again. You got service. Press 8. That gives you cash rated. Press 9. You got test. Press 9 again. And the Y is flashing. And then you go back up and press the mode button once, twice, 3 times, and you get these stars up on the machine. Make a selection. So I'm going to select D5. Perfect. And D6. That's how you test vend the selection bars.